Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Winnie Caramela. If you're not, welcome back sis. Take a seat, take a seat. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this hair look. What should we call this? So I'm going to call this a date night soft glam makeup look for the girls. Okay? If the girls are liking this look, then keep on watching. Okay, let's get into it. I prepped already. My skin literally feels so dewy, and I use the Weleda Skin Food. This is this is what I used. The Weleda Skin Food Rich Intensive Skincare for Face or Body. This is really good for the winter season. I just find like whenever I use like my summertime cream, my skin literally just soaks it all up, so it's like non-existent. But when I use this cream, it stays like, my skin just feels moisturized. It's also an amazing base for makeup, which is weird. It's like, it kind of acts like a primer in a weird way as well. But I still go in with my absolute fave, you know, Urban Decay All Nighter. I actually use this after having done my base. Not too much, just a little spritz. Make sure I've covered the whole face. And I just find that ever since I've been doing that, literally my makeup, guys, my makeup's been looking, it's really just been sitting. This is the LA Pro Girl in the colour Fawn. Gotta love her, so affordable. I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. I like to basically like shape my brows before I actually go ahead and fill my brows in. Just because like, I've got brows, do you know what I mean? Like the brows are there. So I just like to just kind of outline it and then see kind of, okay, what do I need help with here? It looks so much more natural that way as well, because Lord knows I've had a good old journey with brows. Like I've been through so many phases of brows. Like there was a point where I literally shaved them so thin. I don't know what I was thinking. The majority of my brushes I do know where they are from, but this is, I think this is like the only one I have no idea, but it's a flat brush. I'm sure you could get this from like Elf. I'm gonna write literally all the descriptions below because I can't for the life of me remember where my brushes are from. I always try to remember, like, your brows are sisters, not twins. As you can already see, I've already got a really nice shape. This is literally just a standard eyebrow pencil that you can literally get in like hair shops. I literally don't even need a lot, like it's literally just the tiniest amount and that's literally it. Just gonna blend it in now. And then I'm just going to use my beauty blender. It's quite damp, so I'm going to go in and just set the concealer a little bit. So now I'm going to go in and do the concealer, because obviously this is a makeup look without foundation. I literally just use concealer, and this is the same one, the colour Fawn. And I'm going to use the same flat brush that I used before.
Hey guys, this is Editing Winnie here. So I just thought I'd jump in, you know, because Makeup Winnie, I don't really know what was going on with the whole eye bit, but basically I do add concealer in the inner corners of my eyes and the outer bit, but the bit where I'm doing it like on the outside of my nose, I do actually do that with contour and not concealer, which I will actually do later on. But yeah, I think I just got thrown off a little bit. It's been a little while since I've done a tutorial, so yeah, bear with me guys.
I think for me personally, The most important thing is to make sure that the concealer is dry. Not dried all the way up, but like drier. Just let it dry a little bit. And then you'll find that like it really sits well on your face and it really does conceal. So I'm going to leave that for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to go in and add a bit of contour to my face. I actually bought this on Amazon, just randomly. I just typed in contour because I needed it quickly. It's called Fira makeup. I hope I'm saying it properly. Can you see? Yeah, you can. It's in the shade Mocha. It's actually quite a nice shade. It's not that much darker than me because then I can kind of then add on with the bronzer. Nothing worse than a foundation line, oh my god. When you know better, you do better. So this one is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. This is really, really good for foundation especially. And I'm going to add a little bit in the underneath the brow, just to help conceal that line. I can't stand the concealer line under the brow. It's just not a bit of me. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna start blending the concealer. I was gonna say I also like to add a bit of setting spray onto my beauty blender, just one quick spritz. Also just in case the concealer's dried a little bit too much, but also to like help set it some more. And then I'm gonna add a tiny little bit more just here. I've got really like deep set eyes, I've noticed. Not gonna lie, like I'm nearing my 30s. I am considering Botox like in the near future, because darling, like what do you call this? Do you know what I forgot to do? Wow. Gonna grab the stick again, the contour stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and just go in the inner corners. I'm gonna do this bit as well. I'm gonna contour just the nose area, help shape that and go around. And this pretty much will act as my eyeshadow. So I'm going in with the Beauty Bay blusher, powder blusher. It says Cosmic, but ignore all the foundation stuff. I will explain later, but basically my bronzer exploded and I'm absolutely fuming. It's so good. Pat, get rid of the excess and just pat. I'm gonna go upwards because I want my face to like be brought up. So that's just how I want it. Then I'm gonna go in with my absolute favorite. So what I'm about to show you, trigger warning, if the thought of your absolute favorite, most expensive bronzer being crushed makes you feel unsettled and makes you feel nervous, then please look away now, because this is what you're about to see. And I still kind of haven't made peace with it. This is the Charlotte, well, it was the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Again, I'll write down everything down below. Guys, I know, look. I don't even want to tilt it too much because I don't want to like make it worse, but look, that's the story of my life right now. I'm now going to go in with this cute little brush. I actually got this brush from Primark for like £2. This is my absolutely favourite bit of the makeup stage. Like, I'm in love with this. If you were to leave this video and buy at least one product, it would be this. I'm gonna then also go underneath, just here, underneath here, And then obviously the top bit of my head. I'm gonna take this off soon because I need to like blend it in properly. But look at the colour that's bringing into my face. So I kind of do this in stages because it's very, very, guys, very pigmented. So make sure you don't add too much. Again, just go underneath the eye. Go in again and contour a little bit because this one is, this one will contour like no other. Are you seeing this? I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit so it's not too harsh. I'm just gonna go in and pat under my eye and just blend the blusher so it's not too harsh. I feel like I'm gonna add a little bit of spray. I'm going in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow, I think it's called, just to like give it a little bit more of a 3D look so it just stands out a little bit more. So I don't know if you can tell, but there's a big difference, I want to say, between this one. Like, look how nicely like brushed up it is compared to this one. Gorgeous. Look at that. Now I'm gonna go in and set because I feel like the setting bit is where it all comes together. I'm currently using this very affordable banana setting powder, but it's a Revolution brand. And I like to just pat it in. I don't bake, I just pat. I'm setting my eyelids as well, but I'm going to go in with a little bit more contour to like bring the colour back into it. And the smile eyes, I'm just going to smile and then add it in. Oh, okay, that was a bit much. And I'm going to add a little bit more here. Because they're the bits that I get the greasiest, the oiliest, the greasiest. That doesn't even make sense. I don't like to bake too long here. No extra product added to this. I'm just gonna like use it to blend it out. Okay, so lashes now. These are, I love these lashes. These are absolutely amazing. So these are the Davina Claris Beauty lashes, and I get them in this set Princess. Guys, these are literally my ride or dies. Like, I don't know, until I find another pair that's like similar, I'm gonna stay right here. Like, I'm good here. I use the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive in the colour White Clear. My friend Tara actually put me onto this, and I love her for this because this is literally the best glue ever in life. I had to go off camera, put the lashes on, went in and added a little bit of eyeliner just on the top. I feel like I need to add a little bit more blush. Even though it does look like I've got some on, I do feel like it's been washed out a little bit now. A little bit of bronzer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just set that with the setting spray. Gonna do some highlights. So I'm using the Revolution Glow and Rachel Leary Golden Hour. This is really nice. It's buildable. It's not too in your face, and it does the job, I'm not gonna lie to you. Look at that. A little bit on my nose. That's literally like my favourite spot to put in. Look at that, wow. Like, it's so good. The final bit is the lips. My lip combo is pretty straightforward. Just pick up a dark brown lip, or like a just whatever brown you want. This one is like a pinky rosy colour, but it's not necessary, but I like to mix the two. Sometimes I use a little bit of concealer. I like to use a little bit just to blend it, like whatever is left on the brush. And then I go in with the Revolution Pout Bomb Plumping Lip Gloss with Vitamin E. I love how big the wand is. Like, it's really just gonna cover my lip the way it needs to cover my lip, okay? Then, just to finish things off properly, I then go in with a clear gloss. This one is from a hair shop, literally £1. Wow, I love this lip combo so much. It's got to be my favourite. But yeah, this is the final look. What do we think, guys? Let me know. I'm gonna get ready, I'm gonna get dressed. I do hope you like it. If you did enjoy the video, guys, then give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe so you can keep up to date with my latest videos, and you can even hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. But yeah, that's it from me, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.